Down a little bit on the left. Rails look good. I'd say left spring if I was to guess. Probably bent it when they tipped it back over. We took the welded on piece off of it. Seven-speed Allison. Rear engine PTO. Def box looks good other than the step and the cover. Fender extensions broke. Needs a cab. They got one, I think on Copart dump truck coming up here soon. Back in your area. Tin cover's bent. Box is good. Hood's repairable. I've got a new hood too. Grill's cracked, broke. $80,000 miles. Came out of California.